Hello guys, in the today's video we are going to cover classes and objects in Python. So let's open Anaconda Navigator, launch Jupyter Notebook, then click on desktop, Python folder, create new file, give it name as a classes and objects. Okay, so if you want to declare like classes in Python, so how you can write it, you have to write something like this: class, my class, and make sure your class letter always start with capital, that is my class. And you can write down something like this: x is equal to 5. So this is how you can write the classes in Python. Now what is object and what is classes? Like Python is an object oriented language, and almost everything in Python is an object with properties and method. So a class is like a object constructor or blueprint for creating objects. So this is how we create the class. Now if you want to create object, first of all you have to create class, and after that you have to write down something like this. Suppose p1 is equal to my class. P1 is equal to my class. So here we created p1 as an object of my class, and if you want to print this x value, you have to write down print p1 dot x. If you run this program, you will get 5. So this is how you can create an object using classes. Now there is a one more method, it's like a constructor. So how to create that, you have to write down the class name. So class, my class, then inside this, if you want to declare a constructor, so you have to write down def, then in it, then you have to write down self, then what you have to get, I am getting name and age. After that I am writing self dot name is equal to name, and self dot age is equal to age. If I write this class, run this program, oh there is one error. Let's find out which it is. That is def in it self, I think, yes, sorry, yeah. Now if you want to create the object, you can write that p1 is equal to my class name, that is my class, and you have to declare your name and age. So you can write name is wisdom sprouts, and for example age is equal to 24. And if I run this, that wisdom sprouts will get placed into this name, and 24 will place into this age. Now if you want to print this, you have to write down print p1 dot name. If you run this program, you will get wisdom sprouts, and if you want to write print p1 dot age, you will get 24. So this is how you can create the constructor. So the init function is called as automatically every time when class is being used or object is being created. Now you can also like pass methods, that is function, in a class. So how to declare functions or method inside this class, you have to write down class, my class, then write down constructor, that is def, make sure it is in the scope, init, then self, suppose name, age, then self dot name is equal to name, and self dot age is equal to age. You have to declare function like this: diff my function, I have to pass on self, and if I print, that is hello my name is, and I have to write down self dot name. If I run this program, the class will get created. Now I have to create object. So p1 is equal to my class, and you have to pass out the name, that is for example same as it is wisdom sprouts, and age is equal to 24. If I add this, and if I run this function, that is our definition, that is my, oh, the spelling mistake, it's okay, pven dot function. If you run this, you will get hello, my name is wisdom sprout. So guys, this is how you can create object and classes, and you can create methods inside the classes. So guys, stay tuned, click bell icon to get more updates, and subscribe us. Thank you.